your heart in two to know she's been untrue. What will you do when she says to you there's someone new? We're through. It's over. It's over. It's over. All the rainbows in the sky start to weep, then say goodbye. You won't be seeing rainbows anymore. Setting suns before they fall echo to you, that's all, that's all. But you'll see lonely sunsets after all. It's over, it's over, it's over. It's
But in all seriousness, guys, I am totally bummed. I've had this jacket for over 3 years. This is probably one of the first pieces of equipment that I ever bought for backpacking, and I just noticed there's a giant rip underneath the armpit going all the way down. I really don't know how it happened, but again, I am truly, truly bummed because this is sort of like my trademark jacket. I think I wear it on every backpacking trip that I've gone, so. But I'm gonna turn a negative into a positive and have you guys, my subscribers, pick my next rain jacket that I'm gonna take on my next adventures. So put down in the comment section below what jacket I should get. Now, whether it's Outdoor Research or Marmot or what have you, or if you want me to just get another Columbia jacket, that's fine. I'll tell you, this jacket's lasted 3 years. It's been a workhorse. But maybe it's time to try a different jacket and maybe a different color than blue. So anyways, guys, I want you to put in the comment section what jacket you want to see the Restless One in for 2019. And what I'm going to do is leave the comments open for 2 weeks. And at the end of the 2 weeks, I'm going to tally up all the different jackets and the colors. And whatever has the most votes, I will get that jacket. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you watching. We'll see you later.